How to auto send on Yahoo Mail. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can auto send on Yahoo Mail. Now, the first thing to do is to log in into your Yahoo Mail account. Once you're logged in, by the top right corner of the screen, you'll see the settings icon. Just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, a menu will be displayed. Scroll down and select more settings. Once you select more settings, you'll be redirected to another page. On this page, by the left side, you'll see personalize inbox, then mailboxes, notifications, etc. Go ahead and select mailboxes. When you select mailboxes, your mailbox list will be displayed, and then you'll see the mailboxes that you have. Then go ahead and select the primary mailbox, which is abioidebra22@gmail.com. Just select it. Then once you select it, you'll be asked to type in your name here, description, then reply to address. This is, you're trying to customize this mailbox, trying to edit it. So description, reply to, signature, and then once that is done, go ahead and click on saved. Then once you click on saved, come back and then log in onto the account, which is the account that you've edited. Log in into the account, then you'll see a list of instruction on the screen. Ensure you follow these instructions. Once you follow the instructions, you'll be directed on what to do, and then you'll be able to auto send on Yahoo Mail. It is very simple. Just follow the processes and you'll be able to achieve your goal. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.